Good morning, everyone. This video is only for my current clients. With regards to the minor issue, we found it out a little time ago. We were analyzing the situation, look at the variables, try to understand the whole implications for now, the present, and the future before contacting our clients. This is in a private fashion. This video will be only shared with my clients. Please keep everything confidential with regards to our organization operations and present and future plans. Is what we have now. We basically stayed the course with all our clients. We found this minor circolare or Cassazione ruling, which is temporary. We're still waiting for the Cassazione to legislate at a united fashion, which is coming within the next few weeks. As you can tell by my previous video, please check my channels. This circolare, this Cassazione ruling is an obscenity. It's an abomination of law, constitutional law, and it's probably one of the worst ever high court ruling in human history since the government started in the Sumerian times. It's discriminatory. It's unfair. It's unjust. It's illogical. It basically uphold the law from 1912, which is absurd. You cannot go back in time and remove rights of minors upholding a discriminatory old obsolete laws. It's like not granting rights to kids that were working under in child labor in factories in 1915, not granting rights to their descendants because they were working in factories. The law of 1910 stated that. It's an absolute shameful ruling. It will be overturned. So we'll stay the course with our clients. We will finish up the binders at this point. I know we will wait for the new ruling of the Cassazione. The other plan will be that this is the first step. The second step will be to appeal to any kind of contrary decision. If we like to appeal to the consulate decision, we can appeal it to the TAR court in Italy. Or we can also appeal the judge's negative rejection based on the minor rule. We can appeal it to the Corte Costituzionale. This ruling is against Article 30 of the Constitution of Italy, which protects the minor. It also is in conflict with its same Cassazione ruling that stated that the citizenship cannot be removed or taken away without an explicit will declaration of the citizen. As you can tell, this ruling has many holes. So we can appeal to the Constitutional Corte Costituzionale of Italy if you've been rejected from the court. After the Corte Costituzionale, we will go to the European Court of Justice. These are our next step for our current clients who are either in an administrative area or they are in a judicial area. Of course, we're not lawyers, we are political scientists. We will appeal it through the help of attorneys that we are collaborating currently. Another step is we are currently reviewing all the female ancestors from your family. We will carry out the research of additional female ancestors through NARA. We'll try to locate a naturalization record. Usually they didn't naturalize as often as the males. And also we will be able to request a certificate of non-naturalization for USCIS. So once again, we are researching all the ancestry. We are taking another look at the family chart, a look at the different female ancestors or other males to see if there's other avenue path around this temporary minor circolare ordinance. Moreover, I'd like to reiterate our intention to continue. Every one of our clients should finish the binder at this point. Binders will never expire. We are currently waiting again for the Cassazione unification ruling, which is coming up in a few weeks. We are also exploring the possibility of reacquiring the citizenship in Italy through residency. I personally, as a political scientist and constitutional expert, I feel there is a strong case for anyone who is the descendants of ancestors who have lost their citizenship to go to Italy to reestablish residency and reacquire the citizenship that the minor ancestor have once lost. So now the residency is 2 months. According to one our attorney, after 2 months, after the residency has been established, you can file right away for citizenship. So there is no 1 year waiting. According to my attorney, I'll put in touch with him if you'd like to know more, if that will be the case in the future. So 2 months, we establish residency in Italy. You'll acquire the citizenship. We really see a strong case for the descendants of people, especially minors who have lost their citizenship, to be able to reacquire the citizenship after residency. Since the residence part, the established residence part, is the step to reacquire the citizenship. I believe they're not only exclusive to the people that lived in Italy, moved here. They also the right. Also, the descendants have the right to reacquire citizenship in case their ancestors have lost it. Remember, this is based on laws. Laws can change. Thinking about running for Italian representative in North America next elections around. I'm seriously thinking that. I have a doctorate in political science, been in this area, in the area of government politics, not active politics, but for most of my life. Probably it's time to step into the field, and one of my first priority will be to reestablish the dual citizenship and resolve all the issues when it comes to backlogs. That's why they're doing this in Italy. There's a backlogs in courts, in towns, and at the consular level. But backlogs can be easily resolved. Can be easily resolved by establishing a standby list at the consular level, by eliminating 1948 case laws in Italy, eliminating the bypass programs appealing in Italy, and by putting a set amount, restricted amount of cases that towns can actually process. So these are great ideas to eliminate the backlogs, and at the same time continue to give the rights to the Italian descendants to claim the citizenship because they're for many reasons. First of all, there are a lot that are moving into Italy. They're bringing financial wealth, social wealth, economic advantages. They are bringing culture enrichment, many forms of enrichment. They bring it to Italy in many ways. We're talking about thousands and thousands. Small towns, larger towns, cities, mid-sized towns. So we stay the course. Let me know if you have questions. We are the best in business when it comes to knowledge, cost, and effectiveness. Hopefully I explained the modus operandi for the present and the future correctly. Domenico here, Dr. Domenico Meschino. Let me know if you have questions. Thank you again for retaining our services. We'll continue to help you with a very reasonable cost, and as well as high effective services as usual, and good heart, good business. That's the most important thing. Take care. Have a good weekend.